So hello guys, welcome back to new video. So today I'm going to explain how to reverse a string. So first of all, we will take a string that is A, and in this it contains a name that is, let's suppose, Ayushi. After this we are going to take a variable to store in char, then two variables int I and j. After this I am going to use a for loop for j, and that is j should start from 0 and a of j, it should not be equals to backslash of 0 and then j plus plus. After this j should be decremented by 1, j minus 1. After this we are going to use again a for loop for I is equals to 0. I should start from 0 and it should go up to I less than j, then I should be plus plus and j will be minus minus. So in this we are going to create a swapping function. So t should store a of I and a of I should be equals to a of j. After this a of j, it should equals to t. After writing our swap function, we are able to return a result, and that is store in a. So enter. Now let's see our result. Yeah, so our string has been reversed. So here AYUSHI and we get ISHSUAY. So I hope this video will help you. So thank you guys.